gardeners, we all like a good deal, and there are lots of good deals at the nurseries right now, but we need to be very insistent on making sure that those plants are going to be really good in our landscape moving forward for future years, especially if, even if they're on sale, there's still money out of our pocket.
So this is a really good example. This one has been in the pot for quite a while. It probably has an okay root system if we get it replanted soon. It's a tree though, and look at how long you're going to have to wait for that tree to turn into something. This, on the other hand, came very small 6 years ago. And I finally decided, all right, I am done with you. It was struggling, it was like this all the time. I pulled it out about 2 weeks ago. 6 years later, you've got what looks like a pig's curly-Q tail that was the root system. In 6 years, even in good soil, it's only grown a root system about like this. So something happened early on when this plant was actually being grown in the garden center or in the nursery before I got it that made this plant not want to thrive. It's not worth it.
So when you get these bargain plants, make sure you're pulling them out of the pot and checking the roots and teasing them out and bringing them as far out as possible and getting as much soil off to inspect them before you plant them.